We also proceeded to measure the acceleration in meters per second squared versus the ramp slope. Now, the accelerations, here measured in meters per second squared, weren't measured at the same slopes that the forces were measured at. That really doesn't matter. We just took a variety of different slopes. Actually, we took 3 slopes, just getting a crude approximation. We'd get a much better approximation if we took 5 or 6 or even 10 slopes and measured the acceleration, and did the same with force. But we measured acceleration on 3 slopes, and we obtained accelerations of 0.076 on a slope of 0.021, 0.219 on a slope of 0.044, 0.393 on a slope of 0.074. Now, these slopes were calculated by members of the class from the information they had as the experiment was done. This experiment was done as a demonstration, and they took the data that was given to them by the individuals running the demonstration. We obtained acceleration as 5.94 multiplied by ramp slope, and that's going to be in meters per second squared, minus 0.05. This was obtained by a graph, or by using derive, to get the best fit for the acceleration versus slope points. Now, I'll point out that this number here should have been 9.8 or close to it. And the discrepancy, I believe, was because the slopes were calculated incorrectly. The cart, when we calculated the acceleration, the cart ran a distance of 43 centimeters down the incline. The incline had a length of 60 centimeters, and I believe that the people who did the calculations of the slopes used the 43 centimeters as the run rather than using the 60 centimeters that they should have, actually 61 centimeters. That's a fairly easy error to make, and nobody should hold it against them too much, but it was an error, and it might have been my fault. I might have somehow indicated accidentally that the 43 centimeters was the run, although they watched the measurement of the rise and the run, and they could see clearly that it was being measured over the entire 60 centimeter distance. It's still a very easy error to make. It's very typical, and that's going to have an effect on our results. You see over here how we obtained the times for the different runs. We got a total of 6 times on each run. 6 different people timed the same run. And we took the median time interval to calculate the accelerations.